Hey guys, so today we're going to be changing the cabin air filter for the Camaro SS. I got a 2017 Camaro SS. Let me show you guys. So this is it right now. The engine bay is pretty dirty right now. I got to clean that. But today we're going to be replacing the cabin air filter. I have the engine air filter, and we're going to be doing an oil change on this as well. So let's get to it. Let me show you guys. We're just going to be installing the STP, basically the one that comes out of it, AC Delco, same thing, whatever. It's going to be this model here. So this is what we got, CAF 1904P. I picked it up at AutoZone. It's your basic cabin air filter. So basically what you're going to do is, let me bring this out a little bit. Okay. So you're going to open up the glove box, take all the stuff out that you don't want to fall down. This thing has two clips right here. There's one here and one on the other side. Let me show you. Right there. Yeah. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and let me show you guys what it looked like. So it was connected up here, and there's one clip on this side that you have to remove. What I did is I just attached a zip tie to it because it retracts, so you're gonna lose it if you don't attach something to it. It goes into this here. It goes right here in this hole, and it sticks up. So you pull it down, pull it out, and then just let it loose, and now you got your zip tie right here. So yeah, so you just pull down and out, and then just let it go. And then you're gonna want to get like a pry bar. What I did is I just got a flathead screwdriver and a napkin, and I just pried this side out and then pried the other side out and let it fall. So now there's not that much light in here. I'm not sure if you guys are going to be able to see it, but this is it right here. Let's see. There we go. Okay. So this right here is what you're going to want to remove, this plate here. It's two clips on this side right here. It's going to be 1, 2 on the top. So there's one there. Let me pause it real quick. Okay, so like I said, sorry about the movement of the camera, but there's two clips. That's a clip, and there's a clip up top there. This right here, that's a clip, and then one more up top. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna unclip it. I already unclipped the other side, so we're just gonna pull that thing off, and there we see the cabin air filter. Now I believe the airflow has to be pointing down. So before we remove that, let's check our other one. Let's see what we got here. I think this one was like $20 on Amazon. So, I mean not Amazon, I'm sorry, AutoZone. $20 at AutoZone. Just replace it, boom. You know, some people get the K&N rechargeable one, but I hate recharging it, honestly. So, I'll just buy a new one every oil change, honestly. 20 bucks every oil change would be all right. Let's remove this unpackaging. Let's get that out. Let's not try not to bend it. This thing's pretty flimsy. So that's the new one there. Airflow down, made in China. Okay. So this one's made in China. Airflow down. Boom. That's how it's gonna go in there. So let's get this one out. Let's just grab it. Comes out pretty easily. It's just loose in there, so we're gonna pull it out, and wow, if you can see the difference, this one needed to be changed. It's pretty dirty, so that is pretty bad. It needed to be replaced. Big difference. Okay, that's trash. Bunch of bugs and leaves, and if you can see down in there, bunch of stuff. So yeah, I recommend. It says 20,000 miles. I recommend replacing it every oil change. Should work. So let's go ahead and slip the new one in. Okay. Just gotta find the hole. Gotta find that hole. All right, we found it, and she's happy. She's happy in there. So. Get it in there. Boom. All right, grab your clip, put that thing back on, Now, I don't know if you can see it before, but this says down. So you point it down. It's got a couple arrows there. So we'll go ahead and put that back on. Alright, so as you can see, we got her clipped in. She's pretty snug in there. So, alright, let's get it closed back up. Go ahead and pull this out. I recommend pulling that out right there. Pull that down. We're gonna lift it up. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, but it's kind of beveled. You can see there's like a slot there. You can just push it on back up, but I don't want to scratch the car, so I'm just gonna put a little pressure on it on this left side here. So hopefully you guys can see that. Right there. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of pressure on that. Okay, so it's clipped in right there. What we're gonna do is we're gonna pull this right here tight. We're gonna pull that and get it. You gotta kind of angle it so it's in there the right way. Okay, so basically you just see this goes in that hole there. Goes in that hole. I'm just gonna put it right in there. You gotta kind of angle it. There we go, it's in there. Okay, that's what it should look like when it's in. And then I guess cut the zip tie. So that should be it. That's your install, and we should be good to go. I don't know if it has anything to do with the smell in the car. Maybe it makes it smell brand new or not, but that's it right there. Oh, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe, and we'll be back with another video.